boys, back with another video. Just too crazy, guys. Me and Joseph out here getting the Nerf battle.
No, I wouldn't.
Let's go.
I wouldn't say that.
Oh, we're doing target. Sorry, we're doing target practice for my brother because last night he gave Joe bloody nose. So we're returning the favor. We were just doing a target practice with the balloon and this. We knocked it over. That's why it's on the ground. But who cares? What we're gonna do is Joe. So we're gonna put. Where should we put the camera?
Can I show these? This is my buddy Jeff. My buddy Jeff tried strangling me.
Jeff, bro.
Yeah, he tried strangling me yesterday. So
no, that was me. You liar.
What?
Bro, our friend Jeff tried strangling me. No, that's why he's gonna die.
Dude, he strangled me too.
After he did me.
Yeah, I know. No, he had us both. Remember, he wrapped around us.
I hate that kid. Okay, so Joe, where should we put the camera?
Stop it, yeah.
How about we put it on the mailbox? Then you guys can see all over here and all over there and stuff. Okay, let's get to it. I'm walking to the mailbox right now. No, how about we just put it like right there? Okay, Joe, only front yard. Joe wants to shoot Jeff, which I don't think is very nice. You know what? How about we put you guys right here? Then, you see us running. You guys might not see us when we're over there. That's just because we're hiding over there. Back over there. So, this way. So, let's get to it. Let me fix the phone, guys. You guys are tilted. I don't want video to be tilted. Okay, let's go. Let's go, boys.
Wait. I want to tell them something.
Yeah. Gosh. Sure, suck.
No! I just went.
Oh, okay.
You can even listen to the video when we're done. When we're editing it.
Yeah.
You know, I need a big circle around my head. I need to put a target on my head.
Okay, load your gun.
Hey guys, don't forget to smash.
Hey guys, let's get to 3K likes today.
Guys,
let's go, boys.
Don't forget to shoot that like button.
How about you go and hit that subscribe button and shoot. Break that and like button. Pretend this is it. Smack it. Smack it.
No. You know what we did over there to Jeffy?
Do
this.
Just go like
guys,
that.
do this.
The ball went so fast you couldn't even see it. Look at Joe. He's going to show you what to do on the like button.
You need to do this to the like button.
Hey, let's get to the video, guys. Hey, guys, let's get to the video. Hey, Joe, don't just go to whatever instead of this. And we're only doing front yard. No back. Okay, I'm going to my starting place. Guys, I'm over here. Joe is back there.
Kill Jeffy!
Bro, we're not killing Jeffy. We're not killing Jeff. We're doing one-on-one.
Dude, I'm gonna start over here.
Okay, yeah. I'm starting over here then.
Jeffy, guys, don't forget to kill Jeff, okay? Don't forget to kill him. Let's go! Let's go!
3, 2, 1, go!
You already trying to kill me. Dude, we're not allowed over there.
I know, I'm right here.
That's not my yard, though.
Yeah, there's one on your...
Oh, I didn't know that.
Hey guys, this is me.
Yeah, let's do it like the Cowboys. Oh, he just dodged it. Okay, again. Let's do this again. Wait. Okay, let's go. Okay. We ready?
No, I'm not.
Go. Oh, I dodged it.
Okay, we're back in business, boys. I got one bullet left. We're going close up.
Ah!
Woo!
I got him, boys. I got him. Dang it, bro is right. Well, hope you guys liked that video. Come here, God. Say goodbye. Hope you guys liked that video. If you want to see me kick Cohen's butt more in Nerf Wars, go ahead, smash that like button. Oh, and don't forget, put down in the comments down below, go Joseph or go Cohen, because it's really the only thing in the next episode to see who wins the next round when we do it, okay? I just told him. So, well, I guess that would be it. So,
No, we're not ending the video here.
what? I thought we were done.
We're doing round 3 or round 2.
What would... Cowboy houses!
So guys, we're about to do part 2 that you guys have seen, but we've already been doing target practice.
I thought.
Get out of the way.
Hey.
So guys, we're doing a part 2 to you guys because we already done some. It would be part 4 to us, part 2 to you guys. So let's get to it, boys. Hey, go play the game.
Hey guys, don't forget to root in the comments down below. Okay. Wanna go? Yeah. Oh, Cowboy style. Let's do that.
It's because you have oil in your gun.
What?
I have nothing, bro. I literally just got this thing.
Dude, mine stretched mine. I'll give him massages. That's why I'm such good.
3, 2, 1, go.
Do it cowboy style.
Oh, Cowboys.
And stretch. And stretch.
Oh, dang.
What? Ouch.
That's why you always take some time to fill your gun up.
Damn, Jeff. You didn't tell me this.
That's game 1 in the book for me, boys. Okay, guys. That was game 1 in the book for me. Or, should I say, not only one, another.
Okay. Well, I guess that's it, right?
We're doing a bunch of rounds because they take like 2 minutes. We're taking a bunch of rounds.
I think I got something instead. So, last episode, I don't know if you knew this, but I told the fans that we would do something super special in the next episode. And I think you guys are gonna like this. You know my brother?
Oh,
Who
sabotage.
who gets transformed into all these monsters? You know? Last died the
Zelda.
yeah. That was so dumb. I hate Zelda. So, we're gonna sabotage Jacob and Gus.
Zelda.
Slash, well, corrupted brother of mine. So,
I got it.
did you? Oh!
Okay, boys. Taking a shot up in the air. Oh, shoot, bro. Oh, bullet. Okay. There's a ton of bullets in the road. So
Yeah. So, guys. No, I'm just gonna lay my gun here, and I'm gonna hold the camera.
Now, how about can I hold the camera for my phone?
Alright, so here you go. Okay. So, guys, what I'm assuming we should do today is
Sabotage.